Deoghar district of Odisha. Rich in natural resources. According to the 2011 census, the population of the district is 3,12,920. The majority of them are tribes. Most tribal families live below the poverty line. Agriculture in particular is the main source of livelihood of the people of this district. Riyamal is a block in Deoghar district. The average annual rainfall of Riyamal block is 1456.29 millimeters. But due to the irregularity of rainfall due to the effect of climate change, there is a possibility of drought in this region. As a result, the inhabitants often migrate to other places in search of livelihood. To address such a sensitive issue, 2 watershed development projects have been constructed by the voluntary organization Sambandh, with the help of NABARD, to irrigate the agricultural lands of Burubahal and Jharabreni village, under Riyamal block of the district.
Due to climate change, the world is witnessing a number of catastrophic events. Among those catastrophic events is one such event which has affected the Riyamal block of Deoghar district. That is the uneven, or you can say the erratic rainfall patterns. Due to erratic rainfall patterns, there has been a shortage of water supply to the area, due to which the economic condition of the area also deteriorated. But with the help of NABARD, Sambandh went for this watershed program in the Riyamal block of Deoghar district, that we initiated 2 watershed programs, that is the Jharabreni and Burubahal.
The objective is to improve agriculture in the changing adversities of climate change, coping with drought conditions through appropriate water management. There are many good perennial water resources in this area. Efforts were started by Sambandh to make proper utilization of these water resources. In the first phase, with the efforts of the volunteers of Sambandh, 2 village watershed committees, namely Jharabreni and Burubahal watershed committees, have been formed, where the funds from the community is kept for the maintenance and repair of the watershed structures. Before the construction of watersheds, a survey was conducted by the committee members and experienced experts.
2019 मसीहार आम संबंध अनुष्ठान झराब्रणी और बुरुबाल वाटरशेड्र अंडर थिबा विभिन्न गाँव गुड़िक सर्भे करूँ। सर्भे कलापर आम जाना पाई एठिकार भूतल जल एवं पोखरी जल वर्षा ऋतु सरिबा परे परे बहुत ह्रास पाए, जहाँद्वारा कि रबी ऋतु रे चाष करिया पई चाषी माने बहुत जलर अभाव रो सम्मुखीन होउथिले।
According to the survey, a water harvesting structure has been constructed on an acre of land under Jharabreni village. Through this project, 30 to 40 acres of agricultural land can be irrigated and various vegetables can be cultivated along with paddy.
संबंध अनुष्ठान एठिकार लोक मानकर जीवन जीविका को सुनिश्चित करिया पई प्रयास जारी रखिछि। एठी आमे गोटे डबल चेष्टा करिछु झराबाणी वाटरशेड रे पाखापाखि 1 एकर जमी रे पानी स्टॉक रहउछि। ए डबल चेस द्वारा 30-40 एकर को पानी पई सुविधा कराइछि। धान चाष सहित रबी ऋतु रे आलू आ बादाम करा जाउछि, सोरिष करा जाउछि।
आज्ञा बाहर को से काम करथले नाबार्ड आश्रम द्वारा पानी जमी बाड़ी सब काम होला। ए बाड़ी बगीचा बंध बंध काम होला। आज्ञा बाहर को काम करि जालनी एटा सब उपकृत हले। बाड़ी बगीचा कले काम धाम सब पाइले करि आज्ञा सब चलु जति काम एभळे आ धान करजु पनिपरिबा करजु एकर जगह कर दिले गत वर्ष 20,000 टका पाइथिले।
Similarly, under the Burubahal village, the Burubahal watershed development project has been established and a water harvesting structure has been constructed. About 25 acres of farmland has been irrigated through this project. As a result, sufficient quantity of vegetables can be cultivated in these areas even during Rabi season.
हमारा जंगल गड़ाणिया जगह थेला, वर्षा पानीटा सीधा गड़ी पड़ूला। आम आशा करूँ 25-30 एकर जगह को प्राय कभरेज कर
पड़िया पड़ी थेला एडा करदेले संबंध आसिकी करदेले बिल बनईदेले आम धान करूँ घरे खोली देइजंदी बिलर हुड़ा बनईदेइजंदी चाषबास भल होउजी।
Diversion dams, canals have been constructed at various places to irrigate the farmland from this water harvesting structure. Another initiative of Sambandh is the effort to increase the groundwater of the region. That is why efforts are being made to increase the groundwater by building loose boulder structures in many places. Apart from this, earthen ponds are constructed to reduce the speed of rainwater and recharge it as groundwater. With the intention of increasing the groundwater, the construction of ponds and drainage point recharge pit (DPRP) in many places has increased the groundwater and agricultural production has increased.
आमर बहुत नेचुरल रिसोर्स अच्छी संपद तरफ आम कलु डाइवर्सन यार पानीटा वेस्ट न होगापाई से पानी की डाइवर्सन कई कैनाल मध्यम निगला कौन चाष जमी की 30 एकर कई चाष जमी हो तले कौन LBS लूज बोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर करागला सॉइल रुकाई मृत्तिका रुकाई रखापी एंड रिचार्ज पानी रिचार्ज करने.
Another initiative of this project was the construction of ring wells at various places. Through this ring well, different types of farming are possible and drinking water can also be provided to the local residents.
आज्ञा आम आग नदी चलुलु आम मुंड बाड़ छिड़ी जाइए पानी बुई बुई हेले बहुत दूरिया बाटर पानी खाऊलु लिबाड़े बाला आमको धर्म करवा स्थान आम पानी टे सुविधा पाइलु कुआड़ी करदे बारी बगीचा टे कलु आम भी परिवार हिसाब से समस्त साइसारा पानी रे चलिलु.
Local residents have been able to grow vegetables and obtain nutritious food as well as increase their household income by selling the leftover vegetables.
आगु पड़िया एटा तो थिला नाबार्ड तरफ एक बोर्डा मिलला को चाष बास करू जे पुटल बैगण दुड़का आ कदली सब चाष होउजी एटू खाइबा पीबा भी जहा होउजी जहा बळुजी बाजार रे नेगिरी बिक्री होउजी आ एतरो 2 पैसा इनकम होउजी वर्ष को 50-60 हजार खर्च बार्च जाइगिरी होउजी.
Beneficiaries are not only cultivating vegetables using the ring well but also cultivating paddy and have been able to communicate the need for wells.
आग नदी खाऊलु एवं नाबाड़े कूह देवार पानी आम खाऊँ भल चाष बास भी हो पनीपरिया आज सब कथा लगुच पनीपरिया पानी पीवाई भी हो खावाई भी हो.
By providing incentives to each beneficiary to have a kitchen garden at the back of the house, the beneficiaries are benefiting from it. Beneficiaries are able to increase their family income by selling the individually produced vegetables in the local market.
संबंध बंध गुटे देजी आउ गड़ा 2-4टा भी देजी कंपोस्ट देजी आ गले जौढे भंगा पड़ा है था भी मरामती करगी आउ आम ग्रुप माध्यम रे देती धान मेसिनी सरसो नागी थरे भी बिहन देथिले चाष करू आमे बैगण पटल कमला आउ धान चाष.
Various efforts are being made by Sambandh to enhance the capacity building of the stakeholders in various fields. Efforts are being made to increase the knowledge of the beneficiaries by organizing various training camps with the help of experienced individuals.
गवर्नमेंट स्कीम बाबद बर्तमान सीएम किसान चली NFSM स्कीम बाबद कहुची जे किंदी बिहन पाइब टाइमली किंदी करिवो तापरे टाइमली किंदी सार औषध पाइले ठीक परिमाण रे व्यवहार करि पारिबे एटा आज हम तालीम माध्यम रे बुझी देबो.
With a view to increasing crop production by exchanging low costs, Sambandh is training beneficiaries on biopest management. Farmers are being advised to make organic fertilizers from various materials that are easily and cheaply available in the local areas and apply them on the farmland. As a result, the beneficiaries are able to reduce the cost of agricultural production.
एटा निम पत्र अर्ख पत्र करंज पत्र आ गोमूत्र एटा बाड़ी बगीचा बैगण पातल घंटा मरीच कोबी एतिक दिया होछि आम जिनस रे त हम तयारी करूछु निजे खाऊछु निजे ता करूछु आ सारा आ सब तो हांडी देथिला एटा सिकेले हमको काम दे.
Another benefit is that by using different types of organic fertilizers, the environment can be kept free from the pollution caused by the application of chemical fertilizers.
एते आमे खत तयारी करू सब कुटा खत खगार दाह चौथी धरी आरंभ ଉପରେ ଅଳିଆ ଫଳିଆ ନେଇକି ପକଉଛୁ ତଳୁ ଯାହା ବାହାରୁଛି ନେଇକି ଗଛରେ ଦେଉଛୁ ଗଛ ଭଲ ହେଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଫଳ ଖାଇବା ଲାଗି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି।
Landless families are being given incentives for keeping goats by Sambandh. By rearing goats, the economic condition of the families below the poverty line can be improved.
ଆଗ ମୂଲିଆ କାମ କରି ବାହାରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲା ପଇସା ପତ୍ର ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡୁଥିଲା ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମକୁ 2ଟା ଛେଳି ଦେଲେ 6ଟା ଛେଳି ହେଲାନି ଗୋଟେ ଛେଳି ବିକିକିନା 4000 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଛୁ ନାବାଡ଼ରେ କାମ କରିକିନା ଆମେ ଛେଳି ବିକିକିନା ଯୋଉ ନିଜେ ଚଳୁଛୁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡୁନି।
Some of the beneficiaries who are below the poverty line have been given incentives to grow mushrooms and their financial condition has changed.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଛତୁ ଦେଲେନି କି ଆମକୁ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯେ ଛତୁ ଚାଷ କଲୁ କରିକିରି ସେଥିରୁ କିଛି ବିକ୍ରି କଲୁ ଯେଉଁ ଖାଇଲୁ କିଛି ଏମିତିକିରି ଚଳେଇ ଗଲୁ ପୁଣି ତାପରେ ଯେଉଁ ଲଗା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଏ ଘର ନାବାଡ଼ ଦେଇଛି ସେ ଘର ଦେଇଛି ସେ ଛତୁ ଚାଷ ଦେଇଛି ସେ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି।
Some of the beneficiaries have been provided with woodworking equipment. With the help of that equipment, the beneficiaries have found a way to grow.
ଗାଡ଼ି ଅଖ ଡଣ୍ଡା ଏରା ସବୁ ଜାତି ଖଟଖୁଟା ଜାତି ସବୁ କରୁଥିଲି ତ ବାତ ହେଇଗଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଣ୍ଠୁ ଗଣ୍ଠି ପୀଡ଼ା ହେଲା ଏବେ ଆଉ ଚାଲିପାରୁନି ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ବୋଲେ ଆଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତ ଏଇଟା କହୁଛି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଲେ ସବୁ ନାବାଡ଼ ଥରରୁ ଏଇଟା ତ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଚଳୁଛି ଯାଇତେ ଆଉ ରୋଜଗାର ବୋଲେ ଆଉ କିରା କାହିଁ ଏଇଟା କହୁଛି କେଉଁଠି ଖଟ ତାଡ଼େ କରିକି ଯାଇତେ କାମ କରୁଛି ଆଉ ଏ କାମଟା କଲା ପରେ ଭଲରେ ଚଳୁଛୁ।
Similarly, another initiative of Sambandh is to provide opportunities to the homeless and disabled families to start small businesses. Due to this, some economically weaker sections have been able to run their own families.
ହାତ ଗୋଡ଼ ଖରାପ ଚାଲି ପାରୁନଥିଲି ସମସ୍ତ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲେ ସେଇଥିରେ ଚଳିପାରୁଛି ଏବେ ବସିକି 2 ପଇସା ରୋଜଗାର କରୁଛି ଆଉ ଦିନକୁ 300-400 ରୋଜଗାର ହେଉଛି।
Bamboo has been planted for the beneficiaries by Sambandh. In the future, bamboo will serve as a source of income as well as creating employment opportunities for them.
ବାଉଁଶରେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ତିଆରି କରୁଥିଲୁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଲୋପ ହେଇଗଲା ଏବେ ବାଉଁଶ ଆଉ ମିଳୁନି ବଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ କଷ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ସମସ୍ତ ଆସିକିରି ବାଉଁଶର ଜଙ୍ଗଲ କରିଦେଇଛି ବାଉଁଶ ବଡ଼ ହେଲେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ତିଆରି କରିକି ଆମେ 2 ପଇସା ପାଇବୁ।
Farmers of this region have been cultivating oranges since ancient times. But due to lack of experience in modern farming and lack of irrigation facilities, adequate quantity of oranges could not be produced.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ବଗିଚାରେ କମଳା ନିଏ ଆସେ ଖାଲି 8-10ଟି ଗଛ ଆସୁଛି ଏଇ ବଗିଚାରେ ଆରଟାରେ 50ଟା ଗଛ ଲଗା ହେଇଛି ସେଇଟା ଏଇଟା ମିଶିକିରି 30-40 ହଜାର ବର୍ଷକୁ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ ପାଣିର ସୁବିଧା ନଥିଲା ସମସ୍ତେ ଆସିକିରି ବନ୍ଧ କୂଅ ଖୋଳି ଦେଲେ ଆମେ ମୋଟର ଲଗେଇକି ପାଣି ମଡ଼େଇ ପାରୁଛୁ।
The increase in farmers' skills and access to irrigation increased the production of oranges. Orange farmers could benefit more from this scheme. The produced agricultural products are sold by the beneficiaries at different places. Katashar Farmers Producers Company has been formed by Sambandh to facilitate and simplify marketing. Through this producer company, a large quantity of vegetables is being cultivated commercially in this area. In particular, sufficient quantity of brinjal, pointed gourd and oranges are being produced in this area. Local farmers are able to increase their own income by assembling the product through the producer's company and sending it to the cities for market purposes.
କମଳା ଗଛ ଯୋଗୁଁ ବାପା ମନତି ଆଉ ଗଛ ପ୍ରତି କୁଇଣ୍ଟାଲ 1.5 କୁଇଣ୍ଟାଲ ବି କମଳା ଆସୁଛି ବର୍ଷକୁ 1-2 ଲକ୍ଷ ହୁଏ ସେ ଅନୁଗୁଳ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଆସନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ଏଠିକି ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ରାଉରକେଲାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆସନ୍ତି ଟ୍ରକ୍ ବାଟିଆ ନିଅନ୍ତି 30 କୁଇଣ୍ଟାଲ 40 କୁଇଣ୍ଟାଲ 15 କୁଇଣ୍ଟାଲ ଯାହାର ଯେତିକି ଶକ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ନିଅନ୍ତି।
By treatment 1769 hectares of land under this project by Sambandh, almost 370 hectares of land in this region have been irrigated, and 234 households have been fortunate enough to become beneficiaries of the scheme. This initiative has set an example for other tribal affected areas. Today, This initiative of Sambandh has led to economic upliftment of tribal families living below the poverty line in the local area along with increase in agricultural production. This move has set a precedent for other tribal affected areas as well.